Hi there. Today we are in my old motorhome and we will replace the solar charge controller. That's over there. That controller has some weird problems because it overcharged battery. Let's see. Okay, here it is. So if you watched one of my earlier video, I installed this diode here for lowering charging voltage, but still it goes near 15 volts when sun is shining. So I bought this new controller from China, 8.7 euros. So this old one is 10 amperes and this new one is 20 amps. To be sure it's strong enough. My solar panel should be 120 watts, so it's very near of the maximum power of the old controller. But let's replace this. Wires disconnected, then screw this out. This should fit the same holes, hopefully. Like that. And the wires. Okay, let's look closer. Now I think I finally got it working. So seems that electric brains became confused if I had battery disconnected but solar panel connected, then it thought it was 24 volt battery. So I had to remove solar panel wire and then it started to work like it should. So now we have a 13.3 volts on battery and it's charging. And here we can adjust charging voltage. One press, here is maximum voltage, and then long press, it starts blinking. And now I can adjust higher or lower. I set it to 13.8 volts. That is the maximum voltage we can use when we are in a storage charging, or what is it in English. So it charges slowly, but it doesn't boil battery when we limit it 13.8. But if we use battery and need quicker charging, then we can raise voltage around 14.5 or something like that. But I'm using this 13.8 now because I'm not using it right now. Of course we have to check the old controller, how it looks like. Oh, the backplate is used as heatsink. Nice. Here are a couple of transistors. But are these working or not? I don't know. I have this little multimeter here. Let's see if something can be checked from it. Let's see. I don't know if you can see anything in camera. I guess these are some kind of transistors, so I could check between wires if it's short circuit or not. Well, at least these are not shorted. I don't know what may be the problem. we can open it more. See what we have here. Nice thing. The circuit board is slightly burnt on here. You see this is brown, and there is this little chip. Maybe that this chip is shorted and then it has a full charging all the time or something like that. I don't know. But we have new anyway.